Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to split screen on Android phone. So, do you want to use two apps side by side on your Android phone? Maybe chat on Google Messages while watching a video or browse the web while taking notes. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how to split your screen on any modern Android device. Now, unlock your phone and open the app you want to appear on the top or left part of the split screen. For example, I'm going to open Google Messages. If you want to chat while multitasking. Now, on some mobile phones, on some Android phones, tap the Recent Apps button. This is usually a square icon or a swipe gesture if you use gesture navigation. If your phone uses gesture navigation, just swipe up from the bottom and hold to open the Recent App overview. So I'm going to use the step that if your phone uses gesture navigation, which my phone does. So just swipe up from the bottom and hold to open the Recent Apps overview. So this is what it looks like. So in the Recent Apps view, find the app you want to put in split screen mode. This is usually the app you just open in step 1. Then tap the app's icon. All right. I want to tap all the 3 dots at the top of the app preview. Then select split screen or open in split screen view from the option. So open in split screen view. Now the app will snap to the top half or the left half of your screen, which you have here. Now once the first app is docked in split screen mode, your recent app or app drawer will automatically open on the other half of the screen. So tap on the second app that you want to use side by side. Okay, so let's say calendar, for example. Let me just say calendar, and that's it. So you'll see a dividing line between the two apps. You can drag this line up or down or left or right to adjust how much space each app takes on your screen. To exit split screen mode and return to a single app view, drag the dividing line, all right, all the way up. Drag the dividing line all the way up until one app fills the entire screen. Calendar is now in it. So just drag the dividing line all the way up or down until one app fills the entire screen, just like the calendar has now filled it. Or just go ahead and tap on the home button to close split screen mode altogether. Now, not all apps support split screen, but most popular apps like Google Messages, Chrome, YouTube, Gmail, and many more do so. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.